This is the story of the vacuum cleaner salesman from Up and Down. Down on the spooky side of town, Mr. Noisy is about to find out what's up at Mysterious Mansion. Boing, boing. You rang, Mr. Noisy. Hello, Mr. Bounce. Is this scary home? I happen to be going door to door with an incredible offer. Yes, but she's unfortunately busy upstairs, eating her back. Well, I'm super down for it. And then there must be much time to dry. Of course. But who is it down there? 1 minute. Boing, boing. There we go. Wait. Well, who is it? Well, what does he want? There we go. Boing. What is it you want? I'm going door to door. Darling, you are 1 moment. Boing up the stairs, will you? What? Why would I want the door? This place is littered with doors. Tell him no thanks. Go, boing. Thank you, but she doesn't need the door. No, I'm going door to door selling this vacuum. Vacuum? Yes. Got it. Boing. What a day I'm having. Stairs. What he said. What is he saying? That my house is dirty? Oh, the vacuum is unhoused. Haha. There we go. Boing. She says. I don't want to vacuum her house. I want to sell her a vac. And what's more, she doesn't have to come downstairs. Because Mr. Noisy, super noisy vacuum cleaner can be heard in every part of the house. Hey, you're scaring my bat. What is all the racket down there? That, Miss Scary, was Mr. Noisy's super noisy vacuum cleaner. The noisiest vacuum you can buy. I mean, the noisiest vacuum cleaner you can buy. I am here to sell you this fine product. Well, why didn't anyone say so? I always go downstairs for salesmen. then. Mm. No.